Rajamouli sir, who has left right now, but I just need to say that apart from being the greatest filmmaker on planet Earth, he's the best human being. वो हमेशा सिनेमा को वो हमेशा हर सिनेमा को he supports it, and thank you so much for your support today. And what do I say about Jai Babu? Jai Babu! The first superstar I ever met was Mahesh Babu. I had seen Okudu, and I messaged Mahesh Babu sir, and he also replied to me. And I can't thank you enough, sir, that you came today. You supported our movie. Thank you so much, sir.